Hello, I've just received this parcel from mydome. We're going to open up the package, take a look at the contents inside, and then I'm going to show you how to install it. Now this is a driveway alarm system and it comes with two sensors and the alarm unit. So let's open it up and take a look inside. So first of all, we've got a quick start guide. We've got a little support document there with warranty details. And then we've got the full user manual with very clear instructions inside there. And then that is the alarm unit, which actually plugs straight into the socket there. We've got a little screwdriver included, some screws, and it looks like the mounting unit for the sensor. And it comes with two sensors. And what you notice straight away is it's got these really nice hoods over the top of the sensors there, which are going to help to, well, keep out debris for a start, protect it a little bit from the weather, even though it does state that it's waterproof. And also, I should imagine it helps just to stop the distractions from overhead, things like trees and stuff like that. And that's the mount with the screws. And it actually comes with batteries included. So to install the batteries, it's a simple case of just undoing the four screws on the back there with the supplied screwdriver. And then we just simply screw the back on. Okay, so I've just plugged in the Chime unit and I've just noticed immediately it's already paired with the sensors. So I'll move my hand over. It chimes on either sensor. But you can also change the chime sound. So you can set up one sound for one sensor and a different sound for the other sensor, which is ideal to tell you which location is being set off. So to set a different chime, we cycle through the different chimes by pressing the forward and backwards buttons. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this happy birthday tune to the front of the house. So to do that, we hold down the volume button until it chirps. And then we'll select a different tune for the other sensor. Okay, so we're going to set that as the back door sensor. So we hold down the volume button until it does a single chirp like that, and then activate the second sensor. So that's it for the setup. I mean, there's 52 ringtones to choose from, so you can pick whatever's going to be memorable for your different locations. So that's them both synced, so you can set one off like this. So that's the happy birthday that we're going to have at the front door, and that's the tune we're going to have at the back door. So I'm going to take the two sensors now and mount them outside, and then we'll test to see how they work. Okay, so I've just installed this one on the inside of my gate. As you can see, I've got quite a lot of traffic in the background there, so I didn't want to face it the other way around and have it being triggered by that. So if I run my hand in front of this now, we should see on the other camera the chime unit go off. It's also really easy to install. There's just two screws either side there, and on the back there you can just adjust the angle of the sensor any way you want and then tighten it back up at the back. I've installed the second sensor here on the fence, which is covering my back garden. So if I walk in front of that now, we should see if that triggers the alarm. So that's the driveway alarm from mydome. It's really easy to set up. Took me about 5 to 10 minutes in total. That's including installing them outside. The sensitivity range is brilliant. I've just tested it, the length of my garden and my driveway, and it picks me up in every corner. And you can make adjustments by just moving the position of the sensor till it gets the sweet spot. It also says in the manual that the batteries can last up to 2 years, which is excellent. The sensor units themselves are waterproof and they're really well made, so they're going to last you a long time. The Chime unit has 52 ringtones, so you're going to find something that you like on there, or you're going to find something that you can distinguish between your different sensors, which is really helpful. Also, you can add additional sensors, and this one here that I've got is a doorbell, which is set up in just the same way as the big sensors. The Chime volume goes all the way from 0 dB up to 128 dB, so you can hear it all around the house if you want to, or just have it in a specific room on a quieter volume. This pack is available online and in stores, and you can get yours on mydome.co.uk.